Okay, friends. So today let's discuss on tomorrow's setup for the markets. So, so the trade setup like Nifty opened at around 14,737. It made a high of 14,779. It made a low of 14,573, and it closed at 14,683. It was a bit volatile. Okay, but Nifty managed to close up by 45 points. Yeah, and today the FIIs in the cash market have sold around 1092 crores and DIs have bought around 460 crores. So FII selling is still ongoing. So let's see how it goes from here for tomorrow. Indian VIX, that is the volatility index, was down by 1.7%. Volatility was not that much as per the index, and there was a mind-boggling stock specific movement which was discussed. I said in my last video that you leave the Nifty and Bank Nifty as it is and try to concentrate stock specific, and the stock specific movement was exceptionally good. There were so many gainers above 10%. Some of the gainers like CDSL, Dr. Lal Path Graphite India, HEG, Asian Paints, and mid-cap stocks like Panakia Biotech were up by 20%. Jubilant Ingreve was up by 20%. HEG was up by 20%. So Adani Ports was up by about 12%. So it was a beautiful move, stock-specific movement, and same will continue. You can see correction. It is like if the COVID cases go berserk, then if the COVID cases rise, then obviously markets are going to go down. Okay, but then you will see stock specific movements because everything won't go down. There are some beneficiaries as well. Okay, so concentrate stock specific henceforth going forward. Okay, the losers were stocks like Reliance, Jubilant Food, AU Bank, Bata India, HCL Tech. Yeah, so with minor losses. Yeah. Now, if you talk about Nifty, I would still say that I would not trade on Nifty for the time being because still the situation is not so good on the ground levels for the coronavirus in India. So let's see how the data pans out and how we recover, how the vaccination drive is being carried out, how fast we can have a control over the situation in India. Okay, so it depends on that, but have a look at Reliance, because whenever Reliance turns, it will pull the indices as well. You can have short term rallies, but don't get biased, don't be greedy. Try to book your profits in regular time intervals. Yeah. Okay, so for tomorrow, Nifty can bounce back, but I believe a neutral kind of a stuff or negative, because the corona cases depends on the news which comes down from the Mumbai live data on the cases. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. It's a sell on rise market, and I believe that market should do well over a period of time, but over short term it looks weak. Yeah. Okay, so this was my view on a bit of bearish view to neutral view on Nifty. And Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty is very weak. Now tomorrow, if it does not bounce back, then we are going down, down and down for sure. 100% sure. The next support lies at around, you can say, 30,900 levels. Yeah. So hope tomorrow is the recovery day for Bank Nifty. Otherwise, we are going to end up in. So let's see how it goes for Bank Nifty as well. Yeah. And if you see, I am a bit positive for Bank Nifty, if you tell me, because it is a make or break level for Bank Nifty. Yeah. If you see stock specific movements which we discussed last week, like Dr. Pathlab again gave a 5%, 5 to 6% move. So this is around 12% move in 2 days. Phenomenal move. Like this testing laboratory companies like Dr. Pathlab, Kilpist India, then Thyrocare, Metropolis, all are doing fabulously well. Okay, so you can, if you consider that the COVID is going to continue in India for some more time, then these companies are going to do extremely well, and obviously their share prices would increase. But already it is reflecting in the prices. Yeah, from 2,700 to 3,000 rupees in just short span of 3 days. Yeah, that's too much. So considering all these facts, you should trade. Okay, but I'm still bullish on the stock. Yeah. Asian Paints look good, beautifully placed. Yeah, Hindustan Lever looks good. Dr. Reddy is I'm telling you this stock. If the vaccine news, Sputnik V is approved, then it is going to blast. Nearly 5 to 10% up move you can expect in the short term. Always, although you may be very confident, always keep your stop losses, trailing stop losses. I feel IT and pharma should do very well, exceptionally well. TCS should do well. Tata Elxsi is already doing well. Yes Bank, I believe, should bounce back. Nifty is okay, neutral to bearish. Bank Nifty is do die situation for them. Tata Steel, we already got out, but I feel this stock, you if you're going to buy it for a long term, bid for around 820 levels or maybe 840 levels. 820 to 840 is a good area to buy for longer period time frames. Delta Corp already we sold, so it is of no point discussing on this. So this is basic view on the markets currently for tomorrow. But for tomorrow, just have just try not to trade much in the markets. Try to be a little light, so that if the market does not go in your direction, you don't get hit by it. Yeah, so that's the logic. Whenever markets are not decisive, you should stay away. That is the concept of doing trading. Staying away does not mean that you are losing something. If you're not losing something, that means you are, if you're not doing anything, means you're gaining something. You're protecting your capital. So on that basis you can consider and invest. Yeah, so okay friends, this was my understanding on the markets for tomorrow. Let's hope for the best. Hope you like this video. Thank you.